This is Prince Chaudhary reporting live from right opposite the headquarters, Dakshin Maharashtra and Goa sub area. This traffic light that you can see ahead has been shut non-functional for the past 2 weeks. People coming in from the headquarters of Dakshin Maharashtra, Goa and sub area find it very difficult to go against the traffic. But the real issue is not about army personnel trying to cross or go into that place because the traffic light is not working. It's more about school children who are going to have to cross this road now that school will get over at 2 o'clock. You can see how risky it is. There is a road going in towards the Milkha Singh Stadium, and this is the Gurudwara road on your right. The traffic coming in from all directions. From the one ahead, from the left, from the Southern Command headquarters, from Empress Garden on the right, a mother with her child trying to cross the road. So difficult it is for her. She doesn't know whether to cross over or not. Finally, the traffic police has stopped so that she can cross over safely to that side. Army personnel have to be deployed because the traffic signal is not working. There are parents who are trying to get their children across, as you can see here. They are unable, unless the military police does not stop them. It's very difficult for them to cross. The school children who are coming in from the army school, without the military police's help, it would not be possible for these parents to take their children across. As you can see straight ahead, there's a lady waiting. There's another army officer with the children, finding it very difficult to cross. You can see children coming out from the army school. The signal is shut. Again, the military police has to be used. Otherwise, school children in the school vans will find it very difficult to cross the road. You can see here, lots of school children are coming in, finding it very difficult. See right ahead. They have to go against the oncoming traffic, putting their life and their children's life at risk. As you can see ahead, for 10 days, over 10 days, the traffic lights are not working. Another school van, you can see army written on it. Workers trying to cross the road. The military police have come to their aid. Another school van taking a U-turn. The traffic police should immediately get both these signals working, traffic lights working. They should not wait for a mishap to take place, which could take place anytime. If any vehicle is unable to brake, it will take the lives of school children. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror.